Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Now create or open the listing you want to turn into a QR code. Once you have the listing page up, tap the Sharing or Listing Tools menu. You'll find a QR code option under Share or Marketing Tools. Select it right away. Make sure the listing is published or set to publish so the link is active. Doing this immediately avoids broken links and saves time later when you generate and distribute the QR code. You'll now generate and customize the QR code. Choose the listing URL as the destination. If available, pick Higher Error Correction, Q or H, for better scanning after printing. Customize color and size. Use dark foreground and light background for contrast. Preview and test the code with your phone camera and a second device to confirm it opens the exact listing. Once confirmed, save the image in PNG form. Finish by sharing and printing the QR code across channels. Embed in social posts, include on invoices and packing slips, and print flyers or labels. Print at 300 dpi and keep a minimum size of about 2 inches square for reliable scanning. Leave quiet margin around the code. Monitor clicks in Seller Hub or via a link shortener to track performance. If the code fails to scan, regenerate with Higher Error Correction. Increase physical size or contrast, and test again before wide distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.